welcome back. It's me again. Another house update. Now I'm starting to get a few more walls in. Doing some drain and vent plumbing. I'll be running the vent over and picking up the kitchen area soon. Anyway, this is what I've accomplished so far. Well, it's been a few months now, and I want to revisit the Ironton saw here that I bought. It's been doing a really good job for me. I've cut a few angles with it, mostly 90s. There's a few things that I don't like about it, and it might just be that I need some lubrication. First of all, when I bring the saw back up, this guard, the saw doesn't come up all the way, and I have to pull it up. Pull it up by hand to get that blade guard to cover the blade. That's probably just me needing to put some lubrication here, here or down here. I'm not sure if the camera picked that up. I found an old shop vac hose. I hooked it up because I was having a terrible dust problem, and I hooked it up with my other shop vac. Now all I have to do is just unplug the fitting here and then plug my other shop vac in, and I can use my shop vac just about anywhere. What it had on it was this dust collector, which it was working okay. It filled up quite fast. The bag zipper here didn't last no time at all before it ripped, and everything was just coming out the bottom, and I put some clamps on it, which, you know, helped a little bit, but finally I decided enough's enough, and I went to the shop vac, which does a wonderful job of, when I remember to turn it on, it does a wonderful job picking up the sawdust and all. The compound, the slider part, it feels, you can hear it, it feels a little gritty, but you know, this was a cheap saw and you can't expect too much out of it. I'm hitting on the hose now, going back. So for my purposes, it has held up real well. It's still on the same blade. As you can see, I've done a few boards, but right now what I'm doing is I'm cutting some PVC with it. Not only am I cutting PVC, but I'm also cutting ABS. This is a 3-inch ABS vent pipe that I'm cutting now, and it does a really good job of doing this. It makes nice square cuts. Okay, I'm gonna turn on my shop vac and fire this up. I want to mention one thing before you get started. You should always, from what I read, bring your saw up to speed on its blade before you make your cut. That being said, here we go. No problem. Of course, you have to deburr your edges a little bit, but you know, it does make a nice cut. For all your PVC and ABS needs, my Ironton saw did the job. So that's where I am now in this house update. I'm in drain and vent plumbing through the ceiling, and after that I'm going to go back to building closets and doors and walls. Then we're going to move on to installing some PEX plumbing. So this is Steve AZ711 saying check the description out for another Amazon giveaway that I'm doing. I'm not sure what it'll be this time, but go ahead and check it out. Click on the description or the link in the under the description of this video. And thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. May all your construction work go well and safely. And until the next video, this is Steve AZ711 saying bye for now.